When your furry friend isn't feeling well, navigating their medication can sometimes feel like solving a puzzle, especially when you encounter different names for what seems to be the same drug. It is a common moment of confusion for many pet parents, and understanding the names on their prescription is an important step in ensuring their health. Generally, for most pet medications, you should be familiar with both the generic and brand names, as they typically contain the same active ingredients and are considered therapeutically equivalent. This means they work the same way in your pet's body. Knowing both names helps you confirm you are getting the correct medication and can also offer flexibility in sourcing. The core reason generics and brand names are often interchangeable lies in their active ingredient. The active ingredient is the chemical compound responsible for the drug's therapeutic effect. When a brand name drug's patent expires, other manufacturers can produce generic versions. These generics must demonstrate bioequivalence, meaning they deliver the same amount of active ingredient to your pet's bloodstream in the same amount of time as the original brand name drug. This regulatory oversight ensures that both options are safe and effective. To ensure your pet receives the best care, always clarify with your veterinarian whether they are prescribing by the active ingredient or a specific brand name. If a generic option is available, discuss its suitability and ask if there are any differences you should be aware of, especially concerning inactive ingredients or dosage forms. Always double-check the label when picking up medication to confirm it matches the active ingredient or brand name your vet specified. An interesting detail is that some veterinarians prefer to write prescriptions using the active ingredient name rather than a specific brand. This practice simplifies medication management because the active ingredient remains consistent regardless of whether a brand or generic product is dispensed. This approach can also offer cost savings, as generic versions are often more affordable due to less overhead in research and marketing. Understanding the relationship between generic and brand names for your pet's medication empowers you to make informed decisions and communicate effectively with your veterinary team. By focusing on the active ingredient and discussing options with your vet, you can ensure your pet consistently receives the right treatment, potentially save on costs, and feel confident in their ongoing care.